Ever since I was a kid, I was always filming stuff. It was sort of a passion I had without even knowing it. Me and my friends started skateboarding during the pandemic, and I sort of became the filmer of the group. When I'm filming, it's usually up to the skater. That skater could try that same trick for 2 hours. All I'm really thinking about is just capturing that trick in that moment. Editing really sparked a lot of interest for me. That satisfaction of this goes here, that goes there. That's what really got me going down that path and seeking out UNH Manchester. The most rewarding part has been the feedback I've got from both students and teachers. We screen each other's work. Everyone in the class is able to give feedback if they have any, and that is a very good way to understand where you can improve. And I think that's definitely important in a hands-on environment. UNH Manchester has given me a head start for deciding where I want to go after school. The Comm Arts program has definitely helped me become a better director. I definitely have a lot more to learn, but I'm looking forward to learning it all, and I'm looking forward to finding where I really want to be in video production.